We're going to Italy today. I can't believe this is finally here. We have been planning and packing and just thinking about this trip for almost a year now, and it's been a labor. It has been so much work because we're moving around so much on this trip. My parents are meeting us there, so there's just a lot of logistics to deal with on this trip. It's kind of the biggest undertaking I've ever attempted for a trip with 4 kids. We'll be visiting 2 countries in Europe, and we'll be using trains, ferries, planes to get around. So, okay, I lost my train of thought because I just had to go tell the kids to stop yelling. They're full of a lot of energy. They're really excited about the trip. So am I. It's about 7 a.m. We have just over 2 hours till we need to leave to make sure we have plenty of time to get to the airport, park our car, take the shuttle, and get through security. We do have TSA pre-check, but we're flying Aer Lingus and they don't participate in TSA pre-check, so we have to go through the regular security line, which will be interesting. My parents left a few days ago and they said it took them over an hour to get through TSA. So, gotta be prepared, gotta be on time. We have some last minute like packing to do, like get the snacks in there, make some sandwiches for lunch. Yeah, we've got a lot to get done today, so hopefully hopefully we leave on time. Stay tuned. All right, Teddy, what are you most excited about to do in Italy and Greece?
In Venice, the gondola, and in Greece, in the footsteps of Paul's tour.
Yeah, I'm excited about that tour too. Getting ready, downloading some last minute Lizzie McGuire movie.
There it is.
Yeah, baby. Okay, I think I'm ready. I didn't really do much with the hair, I just brushed it, and I'm not wearing eye makeup today because it's an overnight flight. I don't want to have to wash off eye makeup on an airplane, so we're just going with the natural look today, and that's fine. So, I'm gonna walk you through our pack a little bit. We are kind of backpacking Europe, I guess you could say, except that, so we're each only taking a backpack, and then we are bringing 1 carry-on suitcase for the overflow items. We couldn't quite make it with just a backpack each, especially because we still have a toddler in diapers. We didn't quite finish potty training this spring, so we're gonna get back at it after we get back. So we have like some diapers and wipes in our suitcase, and I'll show you the rest. Here's our carry-on suitcase. I've got a little packing cube with some extra clothes. It's a compression packing cube from Eagle Creek. This is the size small. Then, as I said, diapers and wipes in here. So this is my purse that I'm going to keep my big camera in as we walk around Europe. I wanted something that was crossbody, so it does have a crossbody strap that I've tucked in here, and it zips on the top. We have a little laundry bag because some of our Airbnbs will have laundry. I have my dual voltage. It's a combo straightener and curling iron. I have everyone's sandals tucked away in here, and then just a mini hairbrush, of course. And then my husband's packing cube will go on top. His clothes are bigger, so he didn't want to try to shove them all in a backpack. Okay, then in the back side of our suitcase, some more diapers, and then we have all of our swim stuff in this large packing cube. Feminine products for me, wipes. I'm bringing a shaker water bottle, both for electrolyte mix and protein shakes. I like to bring those along so I get some protein on those mornings when we're just having croissants. So that's what's in the back here. Okay, so some of the challenge and some of the reason why we felt like we needed the overflow suitcase is because we are visiting several religious sites in Italy where both your knees and your shoulders need to be covered. So we need to make sure we have sweaters, to cover our shoulders or shawls. And then we also need to make sure we have pants, maxi skirts, midi or maxi dresses, jumpsuits, but those items tend to be bulkier and take up more space. Now, typically on a trip, we've gotten away with just a backpack because we can do like leggings or like just shorts, mix and match shorts and t-shirts, but we needed some like bulkier items this time, so we did feel like we needed the overflow. Okay, I'm really proud of my pack job, and I'm a little nervous that like if I have to get something out, I'm not gonna be able to put it back together. I have the base backpack. This is what it looks like. And you just open up the main pocket, and I put one large packing cube in here. It has all my clothes that I've rolled up or folded the like accordion style. And then I have my DSLR or my big mirrorless camera in here in a neoprene sleeve. So I'm just trying to stuff some last minute things in there to make it all fit. And then in the top pockets, in the top pockets, I have my makeup bag in here, and then in the bottom one, I am gonna put this camera and my GoPro and some cords. In the front pocket, I have my TSA liquids, my deodorant, snacks, and my portable charger. This is the Anchor charger, and I swear by this when I'm traveling. It's amazing. Here's what I'm packing my 10-year-old in one backpack for our 2 weeks in Europe. This is everything I have to fit in the backpack. This time I made a strategic choice to put her intimates and pajamas in this compression packing cube. The older they get, the harder it is to pack light. And the other challenge is that we're visiting some religious sites where her knees need to be covered, which means we need longer dresses, maxi skirts, and even jumpsuits. These items tend to be bulky and take up more space in the packing cube. It's also going to be hot, so I didn't really want to pack jeans or pants for her. So normally I do mix and match type tops and bottoms, but this time I was just having a hard time finding bottoms that would cover her knees for the multiple religious sites we're visiting. Plus, my girl is a fashionista and she likes to have options. She likes to have a say. She has a hard time giving up certain outfits that she imagined bringing. Also, don't mind my orange arms. I have self-tan around and I still need to shower. So let's see if everything fits in the backpack. The pajamas go on the bottom and then the packing cube. And these are all her activities for on the flight and trains that we'll be taking. I also got her a sketchbook because she loves art. We've got snacks for in the front, her Instax camera, add headphones and toiletries, and that's it. Okay. Yay, we finally made it to the car. It was chaos. It was sheer chaos getting into the car, right guys?
Sorta.
So yeah, we are driving to the airport now. Everyone's excited. Hopefully everything goes smoothly once we get to the airport. Fingers crossed. Okay, we made it to our gate. We were a little bit nervous we would be late for our flight because we parked at the Hyatt place near the airport and the shuttle went at 12:20. We were there in time, but the shuttle was full. The next one didn't go till 1. So we felt like we were cutting it close, but we decided to try it. And luckily there was zero line, no line at the Chicago airport for TSA. Pretty impressive, huh?
Pretty impressive.
Yeah, so we made it through very quickly. Now we're at our gate, just chilling. And we're so excited to be in Venice. We made it on the airplane. Good morning from Dublin Airport. We survived the long flight from Chicago to Dublin. It was kind of overnight, like about 7.5 hours. We got a little bit of sleep. But probably not enough. It's gonna be a rough day. but fun and magical. Beatrice had a few meltdowns, but all in all, it was a great flight. We survived, and we got these cute little Costa coffees from the Dublin airport. It's just like a self-serve machine, and you can get like lattes or cappuccinos or whatever, and it just makes it for you on the spot. And this is only like €3.50, and it's fairly good. So anyway, here's to more adventure. We're on our way to Venice next. What do you guys think about taking a boat to our Airbnb?
Different, but really cool.
Yeah, this is exciting.